Hello, everyone. I just wanted to record this video for you so that you could practice with the sound. So, Alif Beta ده في Somali, the Somali alphabet. The first letter is Ba, Ta, Ja, Ha, Ha, Da, Ra, Sa, Sha, A, Ga, Fa, Qa, Ka, Ka, La, Ma, Na, Wa, Ha, Ya, Hamsa, Shaqal Gab, A, E, I, O, U, shaqal dheer A, E, I, O, U. Keep practicing.